ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाशयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। In Upadesha Sahasri, 16th chapter, we are seeing. In that, from shloka number 23 onwards, Kshanik Vijnanavada Khandanam, refutation, started. 23 to 29. In that, we have seen up to shloka 26. So now we are going to see shloka number 27. In Ramatirtha Tika, we are on page number 194. Page number 194. यत्तु क्षणिकत्वादि भावनया स्थायित्वादि भ्रांति शांति मुक्ति इत्युच्यते बौद्धैः तदपि नोपपद्यते इत्याह। यत्तु क्षणिकत्वादि भावनया स्थायित्वादि भ्रांति शांति मुक्ति। Where was this said? This was said in shloka number 23 in Tika. So shloka said tat shanti purusharthata. In the Chaturtha Pada, fourth quarter said tat shanti purusharthata. Tat shanti means this kshanika buddhi shanti is purusharthata. In Tika it was said this jnana jnaya between which there is no viveka, that vivekasya avivekasya cha shantihi. In Tika, this is how it was presented. Jnana jnayagatasya tanmulasya avivekasya cha shantihi. So the root of this aviveka is eliminated. Astamaya pratibhasa nivrittehe eva purusharthata. So this pratibhasa, appearance, its nivritti or its shanti, asta, is purusharthata, that is called moksha. This is how moksha is defined by Kshanika Vijnanavada. Siddhanti is now refuting that, saying that yattu kshanikattvadi bhavanaya, back to 27. Introduction. Yattu kshanikattvadi bhavanaya sthayittvadi bhranti shanti. So because of this kshanikattvadi bhavana, sthayitva bhranti that we have, sthayitva bhranti means if I see this ghataha, soyam ghataha, soyam devadattaha, this bhranti I have, this is the same thing, same object, same person, same place. This is bhranti. That bhranti gives me illusion that there is Sthayitva in Jagat, even though actually everything is Kshanikam. This Sthayitva Bhranti Shanti hi is Mukti. This is what is said by these Bauddhas. Iti uchyate Bauddhaihi tadapi no papadyate. This will not work. This does not settle. In the sense, this is not true. No papadyate. This cannot be justified. Ityaha. I will chant the shloka. You keep everything on mute. शान्तेश्च यत्नसिद्धत्वात् साधनोक्तिरनर्थिका एकैकस्मिन् समाप्तत्वात् क्षान्तेरन्यानपेक्षता शान्तेश्च यत्नसिद्धत्वात् साधनोक्तिरनर्थिका एकैकस्मिन् समाप्तत्वात् शान्तेरन्यानपेक्षता शान्तेः च अयत्नसिद्धत्वात्. Siddhanti is saying this Shanti is ayatna siddha. Why you have to struggle and call it Purushartha? The Shanti is effortlessly attained. And therefore, sadhanokti anarthika, saying that there is some sadhanam required for this, this is anarthika. This is of no use. This is futile. And ekaikasmin samaptatvat. Each thing ends within one kshana anyway. Ekaikasmin samaptatvat shantehe anya anapekshata. Shanti does not require anything else because everything else ends in one moment. So there is no apeksha for anything else. So first line says, Shanti is ayatna siddha. Shanti means moksha here. Shanti means moksha. Moksha is ayatna siddha if you say this moksha is where I understand that there is no sthayitva or I understand kshanikatva ityadi. It is effortlessly known. How? So here Tikakar doesn't explain Shantehe ayatna siddham eva sadhayati. In the second line he explains, which you will see. Sadhanokti, any sadhana for this is anarthak, is of no use. Why? See Tika. Shantehe ayatna siddhatvam eva sadhayati ekaikasmin iti. भावानाम एकैकस्मिन् क्षणे समाप्तत्वात्. भावानाम पदार्थानाम. All padarthas are samapta, means nashta, in one moment only. Ekaikasmin kshane. In one moment they are gone. Santanasya cha avastutvat. Santana means santati. Santati, that there is one, then next of the same, then next of the same, then next of the same. This kind of santati is not siddha. It is avastu. Avastu means somebody will say A, B, C, D. A producing B, B producing C, or after A comes B, after B comes C, C comes D, there is a sequence, there is a chain. Purva Pakshi will say like this. Siddhanti says, apart from this A, B, C, D, is there any other entity called a chain? You get rid of A, B, C, D. What remains? There is no such thing called santati apart from the avayavas. So santanasya cha avastutvat. Santanam means this santati, this parampara is avastu. Ekaikasminscha भ्रांति अभावात शांति है अन्य निरपेक्षता सिद्धा एकैकस्मिन् in each there is no bhranti. The recognition of each is not bhranti. You say one, then I think that one is coming in the next, then it is coming in the next. In that there could be some bhranti. But if everything stays only for one moment, where is the question of bhranti? Bhranti abhavat. In each one, there is no bhranti. If I start connecting one with the next, then there is bhranti. Prathama kshana devadatta, dvitiya kshana devadatta, tritiya kshana devadatta is one. Then there is question of bhranti. You just look at Prathama kshana devadatta, then you forget that then dvitiya kshana is different from Prathama kshana. Then there is no bhranti. एकैकस्मिंश्च भ्रांति अभावात् शांतेः अन्य निरपेक्षता. So the shanti is not expecting anything else for its siddhi. Shanti means moksha. And therefore for that, atah tat sadhana vidhanoktihi niravakasha ityartha. Therefore, any sadhana vidhanam for this is niravakasha. In their matam, in their matam, anyway, everything goes away in one moment. You think of it this way. How long the pramata who is interested in moksha is going to last?
In one moment.
One kshana. How long this pramata is going to do sadhana?
One kshana.
How much? So for dukkha nivritti, let us say he starts doing sadhana and he does sadhana for one kshana. And after that one kshana, sadhana is also gone, pramata is also gone, dukkham is also gone. Moksha is already there. What sadhana do I need? So in their matam, moksha is anyway siddha. No dukkha is going to remain. No dukhi pramata is going to remain. No sadhaka pramata is going to remain. Sadhana we do punya karma thinking that my punya is going to accrue slowly and then I will get my sadhana chatushtaya, then I will pursue knowledge, then प्रमाण असंभावना निवृत्ति, प्रमेय असंभावना निवृत्ति, विपरीत भावना निवृत्ति will happen over a period of time. Assuming that I am going to remain throughout, then only we do sadhana. And the result of this sadhana, I expect that I will be liberated but existing. If my duration is only one kshana, liberated I also will not exist. Just as sadhaka I does not exist more than one kshana, Even if somehow I get liberated within that one kshana, liberated I also will not exist. What is the purpose of that sadhana? So there are a lot of flaws in this Kshanika Vijnana thinking. That is what is presented. Further, so sadhana vidhanokti hi niravakasha ityartha. Kincha अस्मिन् मते लोके अपि साध्य साधन भावो न घटते इत्याह. In the world also sadhya sadhana bhava. So loke api means in the spiritual world we already saw adhyatmika kshetra. Now in the vyavahar also you cannot do sadhya sadhana or karya karana bhava. Sadhya means karya. Sadhana is the karana. He says it is not possible. Siddhanti says. Apeksha yadi bhinnepi parasantana ishyatam sarvarthe kshanike kasmins तथाप्यन्यानपेक्षता अपेक्षा यदि भिन्नेपि परसन्तान इष्यताम् सर्वार्थे क्षणिके कस्मिंस् तथाप्यन्यानपेक्षता. यदि भिन्ने अपि अपेक्षा अस्ति और स्यात्, यदि भिन्ने अपि अपेक्षा स्यात् परसन्ताने अपि इष्यताम्. परसन्तान मीन्स परसन्ताने अपि अपेक्षा इष्यताम्. We will see what is the meaning. First we just see the अन्वय. सर्वार्थे क्षणिके कस्मिंस् तथापि अन्य अनपेक्षता. सर्वार्थे क्षणिके कस्मिंस्. This is the पूर्व पक्ष शंका. तथापि अन्य अनपेक्षता. This is परिहार सिद्धांति. So now let's see what is the meaning. Yadi bhinne. Now we know everything is for one kshana only. So karana, let us take simple drashtanta between ghata and mrittika. Mrittika is karana, ghata is karya. Arya karana sambandha means karana is producing karyam. Or karana should exist, and in that kshana it should produce karyam, and karyam also should come into existence in the same kshana. How will you prove this karya karana bhava? Even to produce the karya you need more than one kshana. And he gives the example of preparing yogurt, dahi, or curd from milk. So milk is different, karana. Dahi is different, kshira, dadhi. A bhinna vastu is required, dadhi, kshira, milk, to produce dadhi. Siddhanti says, if you need something else, like milk, in order to produce dahi, if everything is kshanikam, if everything is jnana matram, why do you need only a specific karanam to produce a karya? See, when The same question, if somebody will ask Advaitin, you also say everything is Maya, everything is Mithya. But for you, if you want to produce dahi, you are going to use milk. You don't say everything is Mithya, therefore I will use anything. He gives the example of sand. Can I produce dahi from sand? No, I need milk only. Means there is karya karana sambandha between two, even though everything is mithya in our darshan. You see, he will say in our darshan, some karya karana sambandha is there, even though everything is kshanikam. But remember, we say in vyavahara it is satyam. In vyavahara we don't deny karya karanata. In paramartha there is no karya karana. So if apeksha is there, bhinnasya apeksha, then parasantane api ishyatam. Parasantan means you can use sand and produce dahi if everything is only jnana matra. So this is not possible. Then sarvarthe kshanike. If everything is kshanika only, all artha means all padarthas, if they all are kshanika, then so many milk pots, let us say you keep. Only one milk is going to produce curd. Which one? The one in which you have put javan. In Hindi they say javan. Means you put some previous day dahi, then all of them will not produce dahi. Wherever you have put something to make sure it splits and produces dahi, only that will produce. Means there is some such apeksha. This is known in the world. This is loka prasiddha. Also, Siddhanti says this loka prasiddhi is there, but everything is kshanikam. This part is not loka prasiddha. Yes, all milk pots are there, only particular milk pot is going to produce dahi. This is loka prasiddha. So between milk and dahi, karya karana, you can show this is there in the world. But in the world, nobody accepts kshanikavada. Here it is kshanika vijnana only. That is the purpose of the shloka. If things are kshanika, tathapi anya anapekshata. If a vastu is kshanika, then there is no anya apeksha. Anyasya anapeksha. If vastu is not kshanika, then anya apeksha will be there. Tika. कार्य कारण लक्षणानाम अत्यंत विलक्षणत्वात् भिन्ने अपि अत्यंतम व्यावृत्ते अपि क्षीरे यदि दध्नो अपेक्षा तथा परसंताने सिकतादावपि दध्ना अपेक्ष्यताम अपेक्षा इष्यताम सॉरी दध्नो अपेक्षा इष्यताम अत्यंत भेदा विशेषात् कथम न इष्यते इत्यर्थः कार्य कारण लक्षणानाम अत्यंत विलक्षणत्वात् कार्य लक्षण and karana lakshana are atyanta bhinna. What is karana lakshana? in संग्रह
नियत पूर्ववर्ती
कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्तित्वम कारणत्वम, that which is niyata purvavritti. Niyata means all the time, before the karana is there, before the karya comes, that which is there all the time. Karya niyata purvavrittitvam karanatvam. And what is karyam? Karyam is pragabhav pratiyogitvam. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Because the one which has ghata is karya. Ghata earlier has its pragabhav. Right? Pragabhav is there, its pratiyogi is called karya. Pragabhav pratiyogitvam is karya. So both lakshanas are atyanta bhinna, atyanta vilakshanattvat. भिन्ने अपि अत्यंतम व्यावृते अपि क्षीरे. Even though they are two distinct, karya and karana, क्षीरे यदि दधनो अपेक्षा, in kshira, so the dadnaha means the dahi apeksha, means for making dahi you need kshire apeksha. In kshira, in the milk, there is apeksha, means I need, somebody says I want to make dahi, you say bring milk first. Without that you cannot produce. Can you put jamun in water and say dahi is ready? You cannot do that. Tatha, just like this, parasantane sikatadavapi dadno apeksha ishyatam. Parasantana means something which is totally distinct, different. Sikata means a sand. Sikatadavapi dadno apekshatam. Apeksha ishyatam.
Upeksha.
So, no. Dadno and then apeksha. Avagraha you should understand. Like how earlier, yadi dadno apeksha. Like that here also, dadno apeksha ishyatam. Dadnaha is the prathama ekvachanam. So, there also, in other words, if for producing dahi, you have apeksha of milk. For producing dahi, you can produce it from sand. Atyanta bheda avisheshat. Atyanta bheda avishesha. Just as milk and dahi are totally different, first we showed karya lakshana, karana lakshana is different. Milk and dahi are totally different. If you have doubt, in tea, you put dahi and then you try to drink that tea. Nobody will drink. In the same way, there is atyanta bheda between sand and dahi. So you say use sand then to produce dahi. Katham na ishyate, why don't you produce? In other words, there is vailakshanyam. Everything is not only jnana matra. You have to give some reality to vyavaharik satyam. In paramartha, they all are saman and they are mithya. तथा च सिकताभ्योपि दधि जायेत इति अति प्रसंग इति भावः. Then what will happen? From sand also dahi would come into existence. Dahi would be produced. This is the ati prasanga. This never is possible. Iti bhava. Prasiddha avashtambhena अति प्रसंग परिहार शंकाम तदीयाम अनुद्य निराकरोति. taking the support of this prasiddhi, prasiddha avashambhena, ati prasanga parihara shankam, tadiyam shankam, related to the same topic, Anudya, having done the punarukti, nirakaroti. Siddhanti is refuting. See how. Sarvartha iti. Sarvasya janasya arthe, arthyamane, karya karana bhavena sthite, dadhikshiradav vastuni. क्षणिके अपि कस्मिंश्चित् क्षीरे एव कस्यचित् दधनो अपेक्षा न सर्वत्र इति. Upeksha means to disregard. Here we have to use the word apeksha. Apeksha means expectancy. Even if all padartha, sarvasya janasya arthe arthyamane karya karana bhavena sthite. For all people, all padarthas which are there having karya karana bhava, dadhi kshiradav vastuni. Dadhi, kshira means yogurt, milk, etc. All of them are lasting only for one moment. Kshanike vastuni api. Kasminchit kshire eva kasyachit dadno apeksha. In some kshira, only this expectancy will be there that only this will turn into dahi. Not all. In fridge, if you have so much milk, all of that doesn't turn into dahi. Whichever container where you have put this jamun, only that will change. Na sarvatra. Iti loka prasiddhehe na ati prasanga. This is known very well and therefore there is no ati prasanga. Iti ched. If Purvapakshi says this, then Siddhanti says, iti shanka, this is the shanka anuvada. Means Purvapakshi's doubt is presented by Siddhanti. Tathapi, from tathapi, what is there? Parihara bhagartha. This is the shanka parihara. Doubt is resolved here. What is that? Prasiddha ashrayenapi. Kshanika pakshe anya anapekshata eva iti parihara bhagartha. In prasiddha ashrayana, kshanika pakshe, this is very well known. But in kshanika paksha, kshanika part is not there in the prasiddhi. Milk turning into yogurt, this is prasiddhi. Anya apekshata. Anya anapekshata eva. Other is not required. Why? Because this itself is not going to last for this milk, which is going to dahi tomorrow morning. How will you see the same milk is turned into dahi? It has not even lasted. So nothing has any expectancy from anything else. Each is kshanika. So dahi will not expect anything from milk. There is no sambandha. In the same way for anything. And for that, more explanation is given in the next shloka. The hetu is given. Tatra hetum aha. This is the last shloka of this Kshanika Vijnanavada refutation. Tulya kala samudbhuta vitaretara yoginau yogacha sanskrito yastu sonyam hi kshitur marhati. Tulyaka bhuta means bhuta vitaretara yoginau yogacha sanskrito yastu सोऽन्यं हीक्षितुमर्हति तुल्यकालसमुद्भूतौ इतरेतरयोगिनौ योगात् through their association यः संस्कृतः तु सः अन्यं हि ईक्षितुम् अर्हति तुल्यकालसमुद्भूतौ at the same time if two things are there. Everything is kshanikam, but two things can come together in the same kshana. Then what will happen? In the next kshana, both will go. Now, between these two, if you say the two things appearing in the same kshana, having sambandha with each other. Tulya kala samudbhutau, dvau, itaretara yoginau. Mutually, they have sambandha. Yoga means sambandha. And one of them is yogat cha samskrita, which gets purified or benefited from the other. Samskrita means it gets vriddhi in whichever way from the other. Both are kshanika. That one, saha anyam hi ikshitum arhati. It will expect something else only when it is going to last longer, where it gets samskrita, means it gets vriddhi, purified. It gets something from the other. This is possible only when it will last for more than one kshana. Like in the previous example, milk will produce dahi if that milk is going to last longer and it will transform itself into dahi. And if there are two things like here, then both have to last, then only one can derive some benefits from the other, then it can grow. For kshanika, this is not possible. Tika. यौ भावौ तुल्यकालसमुद्भूता वेककालेन लब्धात्मकौ. Yau bhavau, those two things which are there, tulyakala samudbhutau. At the same time, they both have come into existence. Tulyakala samudbhutau. Tulyakala means ekakala. Ekakalena labdhatmakau. Labdhatmakau, how will you do the vigraha?
लब्ध आत्मा यस्य सः लब्धात्मकः तौ लब्धात्मकौ.
Labdha atma yayoho. Tau labdhatmakau. Atma means swarupam. Labdha atma means swarupam. Yayoho. Tau labdhatmakau. Those two. Itaretar yoginau, which are mutually connected, associated with each other. Parasparam sambaddhau. Can you give an example? Yes, so example is given. Sambaddhau cha. Yatha parjanyankurau. Parjanyascha ankurascha. Now you see here. Parjanya means rain. Ankura means seed. For seed to grow, become sprout and tree, rain is useful. Let's say there was one seed and at the same time rain also started. Now, if that seed is not going to last more than one kshana, how is it going to benefit? यथा पर्जन्यांकुरौ तयोर्मध्ये यह तु भावो अंकुरलक्षणः पर्जन्य योगात् संस्कृतश्च लब्धातिशयश्च भवेत्. This ankura lakshana bhava, because you see, they will say this is ankura, so this cannot be ankura because this is jnanam for kshanik vijnanavadi. This is also jnanam. Everything is jnanam only. So we say there where ankura lakshana is there, that is ankura, and there where parjanya lakshana is there in jnanam. So yastu bhavo ankura lakshana parjanya yogat, in association with parjanya yogat samskritascha. So that ankura in association with parjanya, rain, the seed has sprouted, and the sprout now is labdho atishayo yena. Labdha atishayo yena. Saha labdha atishaya. Labdha atishaya is ankura. The sprout is getting benefit. Labdhatishayascha bhavet. Sa hi khalu anyam upakarinam ikshitum apekshitum arhati. Saha anyam ikshitum upakarinam. Upakari means the one who is going to give some upakara, some benefit. So in this case, parjanya is upakaraka. Ankura is upakarya. Upakarya means the one who gets benefited, and the one who showers the benefit is upakaraka. So always in most relations, unless they are equal, one is going to be where the source of sukham will be there. The another is who is going to derive the benefit from this. One is going to be source of knowledge. Another is going to derive. This is how Guru Shishya Sambandha is. That Guru is Ananda Swarupa, Shishya says, Durvara Samsara Davagni Taptoham. So then Shishya will get something from Guru. If Guru says, I am Durvara Samsara Davagni Tapta, Shishya says, let's together go to somebody else. In the same way, Jnanam also. If Shishya doesn't have Jnanam, he goes to Guru. And Guru gives knowledge, Shishya benefits from this. So, sahi khalu anyam upakarinam ikshitum. Ikshitum means apekshitum arhati. It is expecting something else which will give benefit. Na kshanikaha. But that kshanika ankur cannot expect anything else. Why? Tatha prasiddhi abhavat. There is no prasiddhi of such thing, which is what was said in the previous shloka. Prasiddhi is there of karya karana between milk and dahi. Prasiddhi is also there that all milk will not turn into dahi, only some will. But क्षणिकत्व प्रसिद्धि इज नॉट देयर. क्षणिक न क्षणिकः तथा प्रसिद्धि अभावात्. अतः क्षणिकानां भिन्नकालतया परस्पर संबंध अभावेन. क्षणिक वस्तु cannot have परस्पर संबंध itself because they have भिन्न काल. Something will come, and in this case milk is there, at that time dahi is not there. Dahi is there, milk is not there. परस्पर संबंध how will you create? परस्पर संबंध अभावेन उपकार्य उपकारकत्व अयोगात्. That some is upakarya, getting the benefit. Some is upakaraka, showering the benefit. This sambandha is not possible. Ayogaat na apeksha ghataitum shakyate iti bhavah. Between them, one expecting the other is not possible. With this, kshanika vigna refuted, and that topic is Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.